rheumatoid arthritis. So after you go through the osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis clinical features, you can differentiate some of the features. Okay, rheumatoid arthritis, it is affecting commonly young people can be affected, and also it is affected the small joints. But in osteoarthritis, you have seen it is mostly affecting in later ages, and large joints are getting affected, that is weight bearing joints. And rheumatoid arthritis, it is an autoimmune disease, but osteoarthritis, you have seen it is a degenerative disorder. And in rheumatoid arthritis, it is inflammation, okay, synovial inflammation, and it is an inflammatory disorder. But in osteoarthritis, it is non-inflammatory, but here cartilage is getting degenerated. Okay, and in rheumatoid arthritis, synovial joint is getting affected and it is leading to cartilage destruction, whereas in osteoarthritis, cartilage is getting destroyed and it is affecting the synovial joint. So you can differentiate both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis based on the clinical features. So you can compare both the diseases based on the complaints and physical examinations and the findings. Okay, you can compare both the disease conditions. Now diagnostic features, rheumatoid arthritis, here as usually history collection, physical examination is done, and blood test I have told you rheumatoid factor. Rheumatoid factor is found in people having rheumatoid arthritis. It is found through the blood test. Then inflammatory markers, ESR CRP level, increased level shows inflammations. Then X-ray can be taken. Then some scans, then biopsy of the synovial membranes can be taken. Now management, here also in rheumatoid arthritis there is no cure, only you can prevent or delay the progression of the diseases. But you can give some supportive and palliative case. Now how you can treat the rheumatoid arthritis? Rheumatoid arthritis can be treated, but there is no cure. You can treat with some drugs. Okay, there are already I have told you the some drugs used in arthritis from the textbook. You might have gone through the table. So that drugs all can be used in rheumatoid arthritis also. So here widely used drug is called DMARDs. It is disease modifying drugs. Okay, DMARDs, disease modifying arthritis drugs. So disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. DMARD. Disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. It is given in your text. So these drugs consist of methotrexate, then leflunomide, sulfasalazine, and hydrochloroquine. Then other drugs like osteoarthritis, painkillers, then cyclosporine, anti-inflammatory drugs like corticosteroids, antidepressants, immunosuppressants. These all can be administered. Okay, then coming to non-pharmacological management, nutrition. Okay, nutrition means diet consisting of omega-3 fatty acid. ഇതൊരു റിസർച്ചിൽ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്താണ് ആൻറ്റി ഇൻഫ്ലമേറ്ററി എഫക്ട്സ് ഈ omega-3 fatty acidsനുണ്ട്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് വെരി യൂസ്ഫുൾ. ഈ omega-3 fatty acids ഉള്ള ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ ടാബ്ലറ്റ്സ് ഫോമിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ omega-3 fatty acids containing ഫുഡ്സ്, ഓക്കെ, റിച്ച് ഇൻ omega-3 സാൽമൺ, ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ഈ മത്തി അങ്ങനത്തെ ഫിഷ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് omega-3 fatty acids റിച്ച് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസിന് ഈ ആർത്രൈറ്റിസ് ക്യൂർ ചെയ്യാവുന്ന ഒരു റിസർച്ചസ് ഗോയിങ് ആണ്, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ റെഡ്യൂസ്. Then some treatment, interventional management like injections, joint injections for pain management. Steroids can be injected, hyaluronic acid can be injected. Then surgical management, here also joint replacement surgery can be done. Then joint fusion and tendon repair. These are the surgeries commonly seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Then again in nursing management or non-pharmacological management, or you can educate the patient regarding healthy lifestyle and also self-care. like maintaining exercise, okay, stoppage of smoking, cigarette smoking, heat and cold therapies, topical therapies, modify activities. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഓസ്റ്റിയോ ആർത്രൈറ്റിസിൽ നമ്മൾ കണ്ട സെയിം നോൺ ഫാർമക്കോളജിക്കൽ മെത്തേഡ്സ് ഓഫ് എല്ലാം തന്നെ ഇവിടെ റുമറ്റോയ്ഡ് ആർത്രൈറ്റിസിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സെയിം തന്നെ എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. Okay, same surgical management also here also you can write. Okay, you can write the surgical management like synovectomy. Okay, the synovial joint affected ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ inflamed ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ it can be removed or replaced. Then arthroscopic surgeries, arthroscopy already. Arthroscopy surgery, it is a method of diagnostic management also. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊരു thin tube ആണ്. This is inserted to the joint through a small incision. And this is connected to a television. We can see the joint, damage ആയിട്ടുള്ള joint കാണാം. എന്നിട്ട് tissue sample എടുക്കാം. എന്നിട്ട് അത് remove ചെയ്യാം. അതായത് loosened ആയിട്ടുള്ള jointsന്റെ parts ഒക്കെ remove ചെയ്യാം, synovial jointsന്റെ. Then osteotomy. Again, osteotomy I have explained in the osteoarthritis. Then joint replacement surgery or arthroplasty. Again, we have explained. Then arthrodesis of fusion means it is fusing two small bonds. Okay, it is fusing two small bonds. Then coming to the complication, there are different complications. Rheumatoid arthritis can lead to different complications like some deformities, muscle weakness, infections, spinal cord compressions, then systemic vasculitis. These are some of the deformities. So that's all about the rheumatoid arthritis. So we have seen the diagnostic management and diagnostic measures and also the management. The nursing management you can write. Okay, same like you can formulate the diagnosis as you formulated in the osteoarthritis. So that's all about the rheumatoid arthritis. So we have seen what is rheumatoid arthritis, what are its causes, okay, what are its clinical features. We have seen the pathophysiology. Then what are the diagnostic measures and what are the management. Okay, thank you.